Download the part once again and rename it for Learning Webs. So a web is also used to strengthen the material. So here to this component we are going to add a web. So I'm going to create an offset plane first, on which I'm going to draw my sketch. So here I have created this offset plane. Somewhere it should be intersecting this, but above the legs. So I'm going to take this as my sketching plane and I'm going to draw some random lines. I'm first taking this rectangle. So I'm going to use trim tool. To trim these portions. Going to stop sketch. Now I need these lines to be extended till this surface and then create my web. I'm going to create web and I'm selecting these curves. You can see here I have selected 4. I'm flipping the direction because it should be inside, and because the extend curves option is highlighted, it is extending till the surfaces. Otherwise it would be only till the line which is drawn. So here you can see it has nicely extended till the curvature. So we could easily create this web. And also if you are changing the diameter of this, these will be extended and updated. Let us see this option once again. I'm taking the same plane as my sketching plane. This time I'm going to, changing to wireframe mode, I'm going to draw till these circles. Let us see what will happen when we are intersecting into a circle. So I'm just taking one web. So I'm going for create web. I'm selecting this line. So here you can see it has extended till these 2 circles. I can also give the depth instead of to next so that it is extended even more. So thickness is 3 mm and depth is say 10. So you can see here how I can customize these webs.